A quick video here on replacing these tilt latch mechanisms. Wonderfully made out of plastic, so they end up breaking, of course, like this one did here. These are the kind that don't use screws. They slide in the side, and they're 3/4 inch wide by 2 7/8. I measured it, and I happened to find these at the store. I got these at Menards. I'll give you the instructions. So what you do is you have to get this one out. So you have to raise the window and tilt it in. So let me do that here. So to get these things out, just take a flathead screwdriver and put it right on the edge there and tap it out. I can't do it while holding the camera here. Just don't have enough hands. But it should slide out, and the new ones slide right in. Okay, I'm back in the bathroom. This is a window that actually needs it replaced. I swapped this one with the one in the other room because that window is larger and it wouldn't seal properly when closed until I could buy these. So now that I have it, you just slide it in like that, and they are left and right handed, so make sure you use the right one on the right side, or the correct side I should say. So this is the left-handed one, and it's all the way in there, and I'm sure everything's going to be in the way here, so let's see if I can get this closed. Okay, it's snapped back in. These fogged up windows are another story, but yeah, but it's working just fine. It's holding it. Okay, we latched it. So there you have it. That is the no budget video on how to replace these window latches, the type that don't use the screws. I paid about $10 at Menards. I think you can buy them off of eBay. Get a couple pairs for about that same money. So it might be a better deal. I don't know if they're the same quality or not. Hopefully these hold up. I have a right-handed one in case I need that. But yeah, pretty easy repair. Thanks for watching.